So why do you need to double click when installing apps on the iPad? Let's explain that fully. Okay, so the thing is that it's not completely that you have to. It's like inside of your settings, if you go to the Face ID or Touch ID and passcode section, well, in there you can see the iTunes and App Store, and you can decide if you want to use your biometrics, which is your Face ID or Touch ID, for those services. And if yes, if you decide, then of course you need to double press the side button to scan your face and then download the app. But without it, you would have to type your long Apple ID password every single time. So think of it as a little shortcut to authenticate yourself. Well, it's not possible to download anything from the App Store without authentication. And, scanning your face is actually simpler and quicker than typing in your entire Apple ID password. So, this is how it works. It just also prevents some accidental purchases because, the double click is a deliberate action which is going to confirm it, right? So, it's not like you just download or purchase something randomly, right? Because when you download free apps, it may not be that big of a deal, but you can also get some paid services and paid apps, whatever. And in that case, it's crucial that you authenticate yourself. That's one thing, and also confirm that you really want to do this. So that's why it has to be this way. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for explanations and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.